Hello and welcome to Alice's Garden Plate. I help the garden community by sharing my knowledge on garden planting, preserving methods, and recipes in order to eliminate the overwhelm. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to transplant your cabbage seedlings into your garden. Make sure to harden your cabbage if it was grown indoors from seeds. As you can see, I have to clear the beds of all this grass and weeds. That's a job. So I pulled them all out and have it set aside in the grass. I'll clean that up later. I add some fertilizer down, rake it in with some perlite. Perlite will make sure I have proper drainage in my beds. Now do understand that this raised bed is 7 years old, so I don't have to constantly toss and turn the soil anymore because it's already built with a lot of nutrients. I'm going to transplant the cabbages, so I place them where I need them to go out of the pots. Put them in, and then I water them from the base so I don't have any splashing onto the leaves. That prevents disease. Now let's do some companion flowers. I have some French marigolds. I'm going to put them in between, and then I have some nasturtiums, which are fantastic to repel a lot of different pests. Thin pine shavings make an excellent mulch for raised beds. Mulch protects from disease and water retention. If you enjoyed today's episode, click that like button so therefore the algorithm will work in your favor. By subscribing to the channel, you will be notified of new content. Thank you for viewing.